The NarTick Smart Calendar is a versatile personal assistant designed to organize your life effortlessly. Here are some key features. Eye-friendly e-ink display. The NarTick calendar boasts an eye-friendly e-ink display, making it easy on your eyes during daily use. Shared to DOS. Collaborate seamlessly with shared to-do lists, ideal for families and work teams. 4-quadrant board. Master time management with the 4-quadrant board, systematically managing work and life. To-do reminders. Never miss important tasks. The calendar emits a beep when it's time to complete them. Calendar board. Syncs with Google Calendar, email, and Apple Calendar, ensuring you stay on top of events and appointments. Medication reminders. Perfect for seniors. It includes medication reminders. Habit building. Helps you build new habits and manage time using techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Temperature and humidity monitoring. Keeps you comfortable by monitoring environmental conditions. Long battery life. Lasts up to 14 days on a single charge. Here are some of the pros and cons of the NarTick. Pros. Convenience. Multiple features. Eye-friendly e-ink display. Long battery life. Pomodoro technique. Mobile app synchronization. Cons. Limited information. Subscription fees. Smart home integration. Physical size. Overall, the NarTick Smart Calendar has the potential to streamline your schedule and tasks with its comprehensive features. However, the lack of extensive reviews and potential subscription fees require further consideration. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.